Good morning, students. Today I will start the new lesson Reflection of Light. So let's start. First, what is light? Light is a form of energy. Due to light, we are able to see any objects. You can say, okay, ma'am, we see any object with the help of eyes. Yeah, of course, but can you see any object in dark room? No. So, due to light, we are able to see any objects. So, we define the object in two categories. First, luminous object, and second is non-luminous object. So, first, what is luminous object? The objects like the sun, other stars, electric bulb, tube light, torch, candle and fire etc. which emit their own light are called luminous objects. Okay? इन्हें हमने luminous object कहा है. Now the second category is non-luminous objects. So let's see what is non-luminous objects. Those objects which do not emit light themselves but only reflect the light which falls on them are called non-luminous objects. I mean, in this category we can take all objects which do not emit light. I mean, chair, chalk, duster, table, blackboard, everything comes in the category of non-luminous object. So now how we can see the non-luminous objects? So by example I will explain you. Suppose this is a chalk. तो ये chalk को हम कैसे देख सकते हैं? तो you know they get a light from the sunlight or tube light. ट्यूब लाइट या सन की वजह से यहाँ पे इस चौक पे लाइट आती है, ठीक है, और दिस लाइट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय द चौक टू अस, हमारी और इसके कुछ पार्ट्स, सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द लाइट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय द चौक एंड दिस रिफ्लेक्टेड पार्ट्स इंटर्स आवर आईज, ये हमारी आंखों को पहुंचता है, देन वी आर एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Is it clear to everyone how we are able to see the non-luminous object? Because yeah, of course there is a torch, bulb, light, they have a own light, so we can see the object very clearly. But in case of non-luminous object, how we can see this object? In this case, light is falls on the object, and this light, some parts of this light is reflected to us, and when this reflected light enters to our eyes, we are able to see the objects. Now my next topic is nature of light. ये क्या है? तो you know there are two theory to define the nature of light. First wave theory of light and second particle theory of light. अब I will explain one by one both theory. So according to wave theory, light consists of electromagnetic waves which do not require a material medium for their propagation. Is it? Wave theory क्या कहता है कि light is consist of electromagnetic waves which do not require a material medium for their propagation. इनके प्रोपेगेशन के लिए इन्हें किसी भी मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. द सेकेंड इज अ पार्टिकल थ्योरी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू पार्टिकल थ्योरी, लाइट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ पार्टिकल्स विच ट्रेवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड. So there is a two theory. So one is telling कि light is in wave forms and another theory is telling कि composed of the particles. And the one important terms that is a photon. ये photon क्या है? The elementary particles that define light is the photon. So very important term, photon. So again I explain, the elementary particles that defines light is the photon. Now one thing also you learn, the speed of light waves. ये क्या है? तो 3 into 10 to the power 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So very important, you should learn this. Velocity of light, speed of light तुम लोगों को learn रहना चाहिए. That is 3 into 10 raised to the 8 meter per second. The phenomenon now, the phenomenon of diffraction, interference and polarization of light can only be explained if light is considered to be of wave nature. So I told you there are two theories. One theory is telling that light is a wave nature. Then you say we will just which theory is correct. So here we are seeing interference, diffraction, very important terms, and these terms is only explained that if we considering light is in a wave nature. So it proves कि light has a wave nature. ये तो sure है कि light के पास wave nature होता है. So this theory is correct. Now the second, the phenomenon of reflection and refraction. Just see, both are the different word, reflection and here refraction. So the phenomenon of reflection and refraction of light and casting of shadows of objects by light can be explained only if light is thought to be made of particles. So this terms is also very important, reflection and refraction, and this is only explained when we suppose that light is made up of particles. So the next term, quantum theory of light. ये क्या है? What is this? Quantum theory of light. So light exhibits the phenomenon of both waves and particles. Is it? तो now अब हमें ये पता है कि लाइट के पास दोनों ही नेचर होते हैं. लाइट इज both wave and particle nature. Is it? So there is no confusion. Only you have to learn कि when we are in MCQ question, this you can explain it. कि particle nature of light, how you can say कि light has a particle nature, and other how you can say कि light has a wave nature. So when we have to say कि wave nature, it means you can explain the refraction, interference, and when it is a particle nature, then you can explain only the reflection and refraction of light. So the next topic, quantum theory of light, which explain that light has both the nature. Now we will explain about reflection of light. ये क्या है reflection of light? The process of sending back the light rays the process of sending back the light rays which fall on the surface of an object is called an reflection of light. Means जब light rays किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के सरफेस पे फॉल्स होती है, वो वापस जाती है, that is reflection of light. The object having polished shining surfaces reflect more light than object having unpolished dull surfaces. ठीक है? Surface you have seen, you will study more ahead कि हमेशा मिरर का देखो कैसा रहता है. One part of the mirror is polished and other part is not polished. So when the light falls on a mirror, its part is reflected. देखो ये light आ रही है यहाँ पे और फिर ये it will goes back. So we will now study about the reflection of light. Remaining I will explain in my next video. So today's I hope you understood whatever I explained. Okay. Thank you.